Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make these delicious mozzarella sticks. So let's get started with the video. Begin by adding 1 cup of breadcrumbs into a dish. Then add a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Then mix everything until well combined. When you're finished, set your breadcrumb mixture to the side. In another dish, add 1/4 cup of flour. Then set your flour to the side. In one last dish, you're going to add 2 eggs. Beat your eggs until smooth. When you're finished, set your beaten eggs to the side. Now that we have everything ready to coat our mozzarella sticks, let's get out our cheese. So I will be using string cheese for this recipe because I found it easier to use, but if you don't want to use string cheese, you can always get a block of mozzarella cheese and cut it up into rectangles. Before coating my cheese, I removed the wrapper from the string cheese and placed it on a plate. Once you finish removing the wrappers from your string cheese, you can go ahead and start coating them. First, coat your cheese in flour. Then coat it in your eggs. Then coat in your breadcrumbs. Then coat once again in your eggs. And finally, coat one last time in your breadcrumbs. Repeat this process until you finish coating all of your pieces of cheese. When you finish, place your mozzarella sticks on a baking sheet and then place in the freezer for about 2 hours or overnight. When your mozzarella sticks are frozen, you can go ahead and fry them. Fill a deep fryer or a pot with vegetable oil. Heat your oil up to 375 degrees. Once your oil is nice and hot, you can go ahead and fry your mozzarella sticks. The reason we froze our mozzarella sticks first is because if we didn't freeze them, then once we put it in the fryer, the cheese would have oozed out of the shell, ruining the oil and the mozzarella sticks. So freeze first and then fry. Fry your mozzarella sticks for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know your mozzarella sticks are ready once there are less bubbles in the fryer and your mozzarella sticks are golden brown. Take your mozzarella sticks out of the fryer and then place them on a paper towel covered plate. Now that your mozzarella sticks are finished cooking, go ahead and plate everything up. And this is the finished result. The mozzarella sticks were really good. I ate like 3 after I finished filming. They were super cheesy, crunchy, and well seasoned. Have it with a side of marinara sauce and it's absolutely perfect. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!